name here and then just fill these out. And then there's also a back where you just have to sign a couple things. Is this your daughter right here?
Yeah.
She looks real suspect. She's like, I'm not sure about this. Right there. That was a good one. Good, right there. You heard that one? So you're having pain more down in here?
Yeah.
Okay. In here? Good.
That felt good.
Is that good? It was worth it? The zero money? You're welcome. You're welcome. You come there and be good, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope it helps.